Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the advanced AI image designer and more specifically the feature of using custom consistent character. Now we've got a couple of options. You can actually use the AI to generate your own image, or alternatively if you already created an image in the fast AI image design section, or you've got your own images that you want to upload, or maybe you've got a client that's actually giving you an image, simply just go to your media library. You can actually upload the image. Now for the purpose of this demonstration, I've already got one here. I've got this this image of a cartoon boy that I'm going to be using. Once I have this young gentleman here, I am now going to enable the feature. So just make sure that the graphic has been enabled. Okay, and then just to the top section, we're going to scroll across to custom consistent character. Now what's powerful about having this feature is it will allow you to use your subject and then consistently use the subject in different scenes, okay, or different designs that you want to create. So you can actually keep repurposing the character, but then you can designate via the prompt input that I'm going to show you right now of them doing different actions. Now for this example, let's go ahead and you can see this cartoon boy in a boat in the sea. I'm doing 3D style. Okay, so by doing this, I want to keep this young boy in the sea, but I want him now to be on a boat in the sea and do it 3D style. So you can imagine this way, you know, I don't have to keep recreating it, because sometimes obviously if you're going to keep recreating it, then the image changes or the subject changes. So I want to consistently use the character, and this is amazing for whether you're doing videos or images or book stories, whatever piece of media or design that you want. Maybe you have a branding, a mascot, etc, etc. So you can just imagine the possibilities of using this and having that character consistently used in your series of media that you're creating. So I'm going to go ahead and select generate custom character. So it's going to now process the prompt. So this cartoon boy in a boat in the sea, 3D style. Okay, and there we have the boy has now been generated. I'm just simply going to select the image, so click the image to add it to the canvas, and we'll give it a few moments, and there you have the boy has now been added. Okay, so you can see how powerful this is. It's a really brilliant way of using the character. Now if I want, I can actually go ahead and change it. Let's say this cartoon boy sitting on a bench in a park, and I want to maintain the 3D style. You can have 3D style. Okay, for this purpose, actually, let's put him in a 2D style. Let's change this cartoon boy sitting on a beach in a park, 2D style. Okay, so we give that a few moments to process, and there we have it. Okay, let's go ahead and select. And there we have that young boy has now been moved into a brand new scene. And you can just imagine if I'm creating a storybook as an example, or using it for media, you know, it has that element obviously of consistent continuity of the subject. And remember, it doesn't matter if young boy, whatever age, whatever subject you're using, male or female, or maybe some animal character, whatever it may be. And again, we can keep changing things around this cartoon boy. Sitting on a shark in the sea. Let's go for something a bit more crazy, and we'll give that a few moments to process. And there we have the cartoon boy now in the sea, sitting on the shark. So it's amazing, you know, the capabilities of using the custom consistent character. And just remember, you know, if you have your own characters that you build, it doesn't matter, male or female, age range, animals, etc, etc. You can keep repurposing that character and keep it consistent, and keep it, you know, have that element of continuity, especially if you're creating storybooks, or maybe using those images, then put them into creating you know, videos, etc, etc. So it's a very powerful tool, and you know, it gives you that freedom, flexibility of keep maintaining and using the characters consistently in your media that you're going to create. Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I shall see you in another video.